Hello folks, welcome back to the garage. In today's video we are going to change the rear wheel bearings on a Yamaha FZ6 Fazer. If you're interested, keep watching. Here we've got the rear wheel and in order to make our jobs a lot easier, what we're going to use today is this baby here, which is a blind bearing puller kit. First of all, let's remove the seal. Oh, this might prove to be challenging. There we go. Let's clean this up. And if we have a close look in here, there's a circlip which we need to remove. Right, so I've got here a nice pair of Knipex circlip pliers, and hopefully this circlip is not too rusty and it won't break on me, because I don't have a new one. There we go. Yeah, you might need another pair of hands.
Six hours later.
Right, now we've got the sprocket carrier here. We need to move the seal as well from this. Hopefully without fucking killing myself. Okay, that's gone. And just want to check, yeah, this one doesn't have a circlip, so I'm gonna turn it over and using some brute force, hopefully I can bang it out on the vise. Right. Yeah, it's probably be much easier if I had a hydraulic press, but I don't have that luxury, so it's manual spiele. Right, it's out. Now it's time for us to put the new bearings in. There's a few ways of doing it, but what we are going to do is we're going to heat up the bearing housing, and that will expand, and by cooling down the bearings they will contract, and hopefully it should just drop in here. Now I haven't managed to pull off this method successfully, but fingers crossed we'll be able to do it today. If not, then we'll just hammer it in. Yeah. Yeah, told you. Well,
A few moments later.
so you can see I'm using the old bearing to smash in the new bearing, and I'm tapping very gently and I'm going side to side, yeah?
More moments later.
Now, I'm not sure if you heard that, the pitch has changed, which means the bearing is fully seated. Cool. Right, now, dust seal, oil seal, whatever, fucking seal. I'll use some grease on this. Again, I'll use the old seal to hammer in the new seal, yeah? You don't want to hammer on the new seal. Now that's the sprocket carrier, and literally we need to follow the same procedure on the wheel itself. Now in the meantime, I've cut one of the old bearings in half. I'll use this to hammer the new bearing in. This will make it a lot easier to remove.
A few moments later.
Yeah, no chance.
More moments later.
I think that's all the way in because I could hear a change in pitch. Let's see if the groove is fully visible for the circlip, then the bearing is most certainly all the way in. Yeah, see that? That's all the way in. So now we can insert the circlip. That's perfect. And again, I'll use the old seal to hammer in the new one.
The next morning.
That's all the way down. Right, I'm not even going to bother heating this up because the first two attempts were very unsuccessful. So I'll just use the good old method of hammering it in. I wish I had a hydraulic press, but I don't. So there we are. Okay, good. Now, grease this up. Fucking idiot. And this is the inner race for this bearing. There we go. And now it's pretty much ready to go back on the bike. That's all for today, folks. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. As always, take care and I'll see you in a bit.